A former high school classmate of yours who moved to China emails you that he has been offered a part-time job monitoring a Chinese website and posting comments favorable to government. How would you respond? So, what would you do if your friend asks you to lie online? My old classmate in China told me he got a job where he must watch a website and write comments that say good things about the government. At first, it sounds simple, but the problem is he must post things that may not be true. This job is about controlling what people think, and that is not honest. I would tell him, I don't think this job is good. It is not right to lie to people or hide the truth. It can also be dangerous for you. I would advise him to look for a job where he can be honest and not pretend online. What about you? Would you take a job like this? Tell me what you think. Just comment down below.